Stephanie, come out.
Where's my back?
Need to hold it right. One hand. So you have your hold like that. Your hand down. And the same one like that. Put it down so the D's are down the back. Yeah, it's not bad.
Come on!
What?
Hit
What?
me!
What do you mean hit you?
I've been throwing a ball at me.
Okay, hold on.
Not the red ones, the
No,
small
the soft one.
ones.
Yeah, the soft one. You're not good enough
Not
for hard balls, yeah? Are you?
No, I can't handle them.
One day though.
Careful with that bat.
Right.
That's £120, Becky. And that's not even expensive.
It was a tenner from
This,
Poundland.
yeah?
Wherever it bounces, you put your foot next to where it bounces and then you swing. Okay, but not too much. Just a nice. That's good, that's good, that's very good. It's alright, ready?
Oh, that was really good, Steph. Jesus. Harder, harder, Steph.
Foot towards the ball, not away from it. Towards the ball.
Can I have a go?
Yeah.
I'm not putting all the gear on though.
Okay.
Right, you'll film it. Oh, you're throwing though. Steph, you film it.
I can throw.
With my hands.
Steph.
Oh my god, I've got 2 fingers in one of them. That's what I'm thinking. Did you catch like that? Oh my god, that's why I couldn't hit the ball. Right. Like this.
Right,
Right.
your left hand needs to turn.
What?
Turn your left hand. Yeah,
Like that?
yeah.
That feels really awkward.
And turn the right one a little bit more.
That way.
Not so much. About that, yeah.
That.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
Not a bad little hit.
Because I've got the gear on, I'm restricted.
Bloody hell. Fiona, can we have our ball back? Playing cricket. Last one. We've got a wiki now. Ready?
Missed it! Oh shit!
Alright, Steph!
I'm sorry!
No need to.
Oh, Jesus!
Look again now. She's trying to film me.
Yeah.
Oh no, you didn't throw that on, no.
Okay, ready?
Oh, what on earth is that? Are we playing around?
This is the last one.